On question 3, we're doing the same thing as number 1 and 2, except for we need to graph it on the calculator first. So I'm going to type in x cubed minus x in my y equals menu. And then let's start with the standard window, negative 10 to 10 and negative 10 to 10. So zoom and then z standard. And there's our graph. Now the important parts are right here. So I want to zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to go to the window and then change my x min to negative 3, my x max to 3, my y min to negative 3, and my y max to 3. So that will get me the negative 3 to 3, negative 3 to 3 window. And that's better. So now I want to find both my local maximum and my local minimum. So I want to go to the second calc or second trace menu. And then let's do the maximum first. So I'm going to select 4, which is maximum. And then I'm going to have to declare the region in which the calculator is going to search for the maximum. So I need to declare the left bound, the right bound, and then make a guess. So I'm going to move the cursor just to the left of the local maximum. So really anywhere to the left will be okay. So you don't have to have these exact coordinates. And then I want to press enter. So it's locked in the left bound. So then move the cursor somewhere to the right of the local max and press enter. And now it's locked in the right bound. So it's going to search in this interval for the local max. But we need to press enter one more time, and then this is our local max. Now let's find the local min. So second calc, let's move the cursor somewhere to the left of the local min, press enter. So it's locked in the left bound of the region in which it's going to search. And then move the cursor somewhere to the right of the local min, and then press enter. So it's going to search in between these values, and then we can make a guess right here, and then we have to press enter one more time, and then this will be our local min. So we're back to the question now, and as you can see, I've already sketched the graph and declared the local max and the local min. And I rounded the values that we got from the calculator to 2 decimal places. So now all that's left is to declare where is the function increasing and where is it decreasing. So it's increasing here and here, and it's decreasing here. Now remember, when we report these values, we only want to report the x values. So where is it increasing and where is it decreasing? So it's increasing from negative infinity to negative 0.58, and then union that with 0.58 to infinity. And then it's decreasing from negative 0.58 all the way to positive 0.58.